Does shadow ban really exist? That is a question a lot of creators ask themselves. And the answer is yes, shadow ban exists on YouTube. And YouTube takes it very well in their community guidelines. Now, shadow ban, it's a punishment that YouTube gives you when you violate some of their community guidelines. And the worst part about this punishment is that YouTube will not notify you. YouTube will not tell you anything. They will just shadow ban your channel silently without telling you anything, and you'll begin seeing signs. You'll not get views, you'll not go viral, you'll do things on YouTube, upload good content, but you don't see an engagement. That is the result when you get punished or when you get a shadow ban on your channel. If you're uploading videos on YouTube, but you're not seeing any good results, no subscribers, no views, no engagement, no nothing is happening on your channel, the thing is you could be under a shadow ban. And that could be the reason to why your channel growth is stuck. So don't miss a second, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to check whether your channel is under a shadow ban, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back for another video. If this is your first time to be on my channel, you're most welcome. My name is Ben, and on this channel I make videos about tools, tips, and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. So if you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's grow together. Now, the first test that you have to take on your channel to find out whether it's under a shadow ban, I'm gonna be using this channel for this example. So as you see, this channel has over 2,353 subscribers. Now, this is the first test that you have to take your channel through to find out whether it's under a shadow ban. So let me scroll a little bit down here so that we can see everything very well. Now, when you look at this channel has over 2,353 subscribers. And when you look at the summary here, in the last 28 days, this channel got only 26 views and it didn't get any watch hours. Now, this channel getting only 26 views and 0 watch hours in the last 28 days, it doesn't mean that this channel doesn't have videos. This channel has videos, and this creator uploads videos on this channel. So let's go straight to content. Now, as you see, this channel has videos, as I said, and these are all long form videos. It has also shorts, and it also has live streams, as you see. So let's go back to videos right here. Now let's begin from here. When you look at this row, the views here, you'll find out that the older videos of this channel were getting between 200 views, 100 views, 900 views. And when we scroll up, you're gonna find out that this channel was getting some good number of views. It was getting between 200 views, 100 views, 600 views, 500 views. And now from here, when you scroll up, you're gonna find out that this channel lost that kind of views. Out of nowhere, the channel dropped views, and right now this is the number of views that this channel is getting: 34, 24, 22, 28. The channel is between 20s and 30s. The channel that used to get 900 views, the channel that used to get 600 views, 700 views, 500 views, right now it cannot even hit 100 views. That literally indicates that this channel is under a shadow ban. So that's the first test that you have to take your channel through. That is the first test that you have to make on your channel and see whether your channel has dropped views. But that doesn't actually finalize that your channel is under a shadow ban. What you need to do is to take your channel on the second test. So let's go straight to the second test. Now, on the second test, under the same channel, I'm gonna click on analytics of one of the videos. This is the recent video of this channel. Now, when you look at this video, it got only 34 views in something like almost 1 month. It has only 34 views. Now, the first thing that you have to do to test whether the views dropped due to a shadow ban or not, it is go straight to the reach of your video, one of your current videos. So when you go to the reach right here, you're gonna find out that this channel got only 240 impressions from YouTube. Only 240 impressions from YouTube. A channel with over 2,000 subscribers. This literally means that YouTube is not even recommending the videos of this channel to the subscribers that subscribe to this channel, because this channel has over 2,000 subscribers, but YouTube only recommended to 240 people. This literally means that YouTube has limited the recommendations of this channel. YouTube is recommending videos of this channel to a limited number of viewers. And when you look at the impression click-through rates, now after looking at the CTR of this video, let's go to the engagement of this video. You're gonna find out that the average view duration of this video is 15 minutes. people watched this video up to 15 minutes. It literally means that if this channel was not under a shadow ban, this video, it was supposed to blow up. But since the channel is under a shadow ban, no matter how good its video performs, YouTube is still going to bury them. YouTube is not going to recommend them. As you see this particular video right here, it has a very good kind of average view duration and it has a very good kind of CTR, but still the views are 34. YouTube is not recommending this video. The impression is 240. YouTube is not recommending this video. Now, before I continue, I would like to show you this video. This is a video from a different channel, and this channel is not under a shadow ban. I want you to see how shadow ban works. Now, this video, as you see, it has over 1,300 views. And when we go to the reach of this video, you're going to find out that this video has over impressions. The click-through rate is 3.9. The click-through rate of this video is very, very poor. Meaning the thumbnail of this video was not catchy. The thumbnail of this video was not good. But still, YouTube recommended this video. Even if most viewers were not watching it, the algorithm kept on recommending it. And you know why? Just because this channel is not under a shadow ban. But as I said, you should not make a final decision about your channel, whether it's under shadow ban or not, before you complete this test. So let's go to the next test. Now, with this test, I'm going to choose random channels from those channels that commented on this post, a post I made when I was asking the creators that could like me to use their channels in this video. So let me go straight to the comments of this post. Now, the first random channel I'm going to use is right here. This channel right here. This channel joined YouTube 5 years ago and it has over 4,000 subscribers. Now, I'm going to use this channel for this example. So let's say this is your channel. What you're going to do is to get the name of your channel. Let me get the name of this channel. And the second thing you're going to do is to go to YouTube, okay? You go to YouTube and then you search the name of your channel. So I'm going to paste the name of this channel right here and I'm going to search for this channel. Now, as you see, this channel has popped up. And when I scroll down, you're going to find out that the videos of this channel has also popped up. They are showing. When you scroll deep down, you're going to find out that more shorts from this channel are showing up. And here are more videos. This literally means that this channel is not under a shadow ban. Now, if you happen to search for your channel name right here, exactly as your channel name is, and you find out that your channel is not popping up right here, it literally means that your channel might be under a shadow ban. And if your channel pops up, but the videos from your channel don't show up, it literally means that your channel might be under a shadow ban. Now, as I said, this channel is not under a shadow ban, but the owner of this channel says she's not getting views. So let's go to the channel and find out why this channel is not getting views. This might be the reason to why your channel is not also getting views. Your channel might not be under a shadow ban, but because of some mistakes that you're making, it's the reason to why you're not getting views. So let's use this channel to find out why some channels that are not under shadow ban don't get views. So let's go straight to the channel right here. So let's go to the videos and I'm gonna scroll straight to the videos. Now, when you look at the videos of this channel, this video is 9 days ago and it has only 33 views, which is poor. A channel with 4,000 subscribers having a video that is 7 days old on the channel and that video has only 33 views, that is very, very poor. Meaning there is something wrong on this channel. So let's find it out. Now, the second thing I'm going to do is go to shorts. As you see, this channel has a lot of videos. It has over 353 videos. That is a good number and a huge number. But still, this channel is not monetized, as you see right here. So let's scroll to the shorts and see how the shorts are performing. Now, when you look at this short, it has over 1,800 views, and this short has over 1,000 views. This short has over 500 views. This one has over 500 views. Now, when you look at her shorts are really performing better. They are performing better than her long form videos. And now when we check her popular shorts, you're gonna find out that her popular shorts have some good number of views. As you see, this is 29k views, this is 23k views, this is 16k views. Now, the reason why this channel is not getting views, it is because she's combining both shorts and long form videos on the same channel. Short form videos are performing better than her long form videos. When we go back to her long form videos, you're gonna find out that the popular videos on her long form videos don't even cross 5K views. As you see, this is the most popular long form video on her channel. It has 1.3K views. And I've been teaching this on this channel that stop combining both long form videos and shorts on the same channel. Now, if you find out that your channel is shadow banned, this is what you have to do. The first thing that you have to do is to prevent the things that actually make YouTube put channels under shadow ban. And the main thing that makes YouTube put channels under shadow ban, it is spamming. Now, spamming, it is one word that contains a lot of activities. Activities that YouTube refers to spamming, it is self-promotion in the comments. If you ask people to subscribe to your channel, watch your videos in the YouTube comments, YouTube is against that. And if the YouTube system detects that you self-promote your channel under the YouTube comments, it's going to place a shadow ban on your channel. You're going to end up getting the subs that you ask people to subscribe to your channel, but at the end of the day, you will not have the views. Those people that have subscribed to your channel, YouTube is not going to recommend your videos to them. And sometimes YouTube will remove those subs from your channel. So you should stop self-promotion. And you should also stop sub for sub outside YouTube. If you do sub for sub in a WhatsApp group, let's say you've done sub for sub today's evening. By tomorrow morning, you'll find out that if you got 20 subscribers, by tomorrow morning, all those subscribers will be removed from your channel. And sometimes, if you get 20 subscribers, YouTube will end up removing 25 subs or 30 subs from your channel. It literally means that you will lose the subs that you gain from sub for sub and the subs that actually subscribe to your channel willingly. This literally means that it will not help you grow on YouTube. So stop spamming on YouTube in any way. Do not reply to a lot of comments in a short period. If you reply to a lot of comments, like 500 comments in 1 hour, YouTube will think that such a thing cannot be done by a human. Such a thing can be done by a robot. And YouTube is going to put your channel under a shadow ban. So mainly stop spamming on YouTube. Now, once you stop spamming on YouTube, the second thing that you should do is to wait for 28 days. Now, this is how shadow ban actually works. After violating some of the YouTube guidelines in repeated times, YouTube places a shadow ban on your channel. Now, once you stop violating those guidelines for 28 days, YouTube will remove the shadow ban from your channel. So the thing is very simple. Stop doing what made YouTube put a shadow ban on your channel and wait for 28 days. Keep uploading videos, do everything normally, even if you're not getting views right now. But after 28 days, YouTube is going to remove shadow ban from your channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Now, if you found out that your channel is not under shadow ban and you're not getting views, I would literally recommend you to check out this playlist. Watch this playlist and set up your YouTube channel. If you've not verified your YouTube channel, if you've not optimized your YouTube channel, if you've not set up your YouTube channel, you need to do that. So watch this playlist and set up your YouTube channel alongside this playlist. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.